Popular Nigerian actress Mercy Johnson has cleared air about rumors saying she has cancer. She said that the reports are not true. The rumor started after a clip from her TV show, Mercy's Menu, and was misunderstood. In the show, she talked about having a health scare. Some people thought she meant she had cancer, but she explained that it was actually a thyroid issue.
I had a cancer scare in cold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I had my thyroid removed.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was a journey for us because we had kids. My last was 6 months at that time.
Yes.
And then, we kept saying, okay, we have to understand this is a new us. Let's go get the surgery done. And then we got there, they said I was going to be on medication for the rest of my life. And it was the reality that we had to sit down.
I don't have cancer, Mercy said in a video shared on social media. She explained that she had a swelling in her neck, which was scary at first, but doctor later said it was a thyroid problem.
Hi guys. Okay, so first and foremost, thank you so much for all of you who have been calling and sending messages and prayers. Thank you. I do appreciate it so much. But I do not have cancer. I noticed that a clip from my TV show, Mercy's Menu, has been flying around, and I think it was cut. They cut the clip. I said I had a cancer scare. It means that I had this swelling on my neck, if you can see the line there. And my doctors felt it was something serious. I had problems with my thyroid. I'm perfectly okay. Thank you so much for all of your calls and your messages. Oh, this phone has been buzzing like crazy. I am perfectly fine and I do not have cancer. I'm perfectly okay.
Some people had become worried after her health, after seeing videos of her looking slimmer, but Mercy's update has helped clear the confusion. You can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.